Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and let them subscribe the channel. Write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today, in summer, what precautions you should take when you start your car? Number one, because in the summer, you park your car and after some time you see a lot of street dogs sitting below your car. Because the dogs have a lot of heat and because of the temperature out very hot, they want to rest down in a cool and a shade place. So they go down the car and take rest or sleep. So make sure that you don't run over on the car, run over on the dogs. So what you do is open the door and tap the door 2-3 times. So the dogs run away from the car. And also you can start and make sure you check below that there are no dogs and then you start the car. These are the measures and precautions to be taken in summer because street dogs sleep below the cars. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.